Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Amazon Prime account to Twitch, follow these step-by-step instructions to claim Prime gaming benefits. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to twitch.tv. Log in to your Twitch account using your username and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Prime Gaming or Subscribe from the drop-down menu. Step 3. You'll be redirected to the Prime Gaming page. Click Try Prime or Link Accounts to begin the connection process. Step 4. You'll be prompted to log in to your Amazon account. Enter your Amazon Prime credentials to proceed. Step 5. Review the permissions and information that Twitch will access from your Amazon account, then click Agree and Continue. Step 6. Your Amazon Prime account is now linked to Twitch. You'll see a confirmation message indicating successful linking. Step 7. Return to Twitch and navigate to any partnered Twitch channel to use your free monthly channel subscription included with Prime Gaming. Step 8. Click Subscribe on a channel, select Use Prime Sub, and confirm. Your Prime Gaming benefits also include free in-game loot and content each month. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.